right here.
So big, man.
Their feet are right there. See if they get the fuck try to circle it. See how they circle around the pods? They get bait and circle up. Or see when they feed? That's cool. They'll like circle and explode on it. They must have bait traps. I want to get us right on the side of them.